Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Airtable app data with backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Airtable app data, start by opening your Airtable account. Navigate to the workspace that contains the base you want to backup. Select the base you wish to backup from the list displayed. Click on the View drop-down menu at the top left of your screen. Choose Grid View for better visibility of your data. Next, look for the Share button in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on Share to reveal additional options. Select the Download as CSV option from the menu. This will allow you to download a copy of your data in a CSV format. Confirm the download and save it to a secure location on your device. Repeat this process for each table within your base to ensure a comprehensive backup. If you prefer a more automated method, consider using Airtable's Page Designer app. Add the Page Designer app to your base by clicking on the Apps option in the upper right corner. Once added, create a new page layout for the data you want to backup. From the Page Designer, you can export your data in various formats, including PDF. After configuring the layout, click on the Export button to save your data. For added security, consider integrating a backup solution with Airtable. Many third-party services can facilitate automatic backups periodically. Explore options like Zapier or Integromat to set up these integrations. Review all backup files regularly to ensure that your data is safe and up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively backup your Airtable app data. This practice ensures that you have a reliable copy of your important information at all times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.